Hi and welcome. If you're interested in how to buy Bitcoin and you don't know how to do it fast, easy and safe without all those complicated wallets or extra knowledges, I want to share with you the way. I found a platform, it is IQ Option. This platform allows you to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like in a couple of clicks. Really, it's very fascinating. So first step you need to pass is the register on the platform IQ Option. Let's do it. Press register and buy. You'll get a confirmation letter on your email. Here it is. Just press confirm registration. Okay, activation was successful, so we're in the second step. The second step is to make a deposit. Here you can choose the currency, and here you can choose the payment method. So I like Visa and MasterCard. For example, $1,000. Go to payment, then enter your card number. And just press pay. That's it. Here you go. Now you're on the platform, on the trade room, and here in the left top corner you can choose. You can see a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can buy on this platform. So I want to buy Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you how to do it. In the top right corner you can choose the amount of your investment, amount of money that you want to invest on the cryptocurrency. And here's interesting thing, it's auto closing. When your profit will be, for example, 75% and the loss is, I don't know, 95%, because cryptocurrency is very volatile. The price is going up and down all the time, and if you will make the auto closing positions, you don't need to check this platform every day or every week, I don't know. Then when you made this auto closing stuff, you press the buy button. And you see here opening price, investment, BTC quantity, of course small fee, and confirm buying. That's it. Now you have a Bitcoin. Your wallet is generated automatically on the platform. It's very good and nice. You don't need to download anything, etc. So here you go. This is simple, easy, and fast and secure. There's a link under this video, so you can use this link to get to the platform fast, easy, and get your own profit. So use my link below. Wish you good profits, wish you big profits. Be wise and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. See you in the next video.